Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Valentine's Day set. We're doing swirls, hearts, and everything you can imagine. So as you can see, I am priming the nails with Youngnails Protein Bond. I do this twice to prevent lifting. So I then go in with Exposed from Valentino. It's a very pretty pink color. I just started using it and I'm so in love. It goes on like butter, but let's ignore the first nail. That was a mess. I don't have a real bead method, no 3 bead method or 1 bead method. I just go with the flow. And so for the first nail, we're gonna do a full pink nail with a little glitter ombre on top. The glitter is Jaunty from Glam and Glitz, and it's one of my favorite glitters. You'll probably see me use it in many videos to come. Unfortunately, guys, I couldn't record the other hand. Well, I did, but it was out of camera. I don't know why I did not check it. That is my fault. But the other hand was just a full pink hand. And for application, sorry, you can check out my other videos and see how I apply my acrylics. So at the end, I will go in with my gel polish and do some little nail art on those nails. And then I use a little glitter from Glitterbels. I think it's called Prince Crush. I'll put the links of everything I use down below. And then I go in with some hearts, which I got from AliExpress. I will put that down below in the link. I will put the links down below as well. Oh my god, guys, forgive my English today. I then go in with some red hearts as well on the other nail. I got those hearts from Cakes Ink Nails. And then for the last but not least, I do a little marble with white and pink. And for the thumb, I just do nothing, just a pink nail. And then I go back in to encapsulate all the nails. Yeah, you guys, you know the drill. I did encapsulating on my first nail video, so go back to watch my red dragon nail video and see how I explain encapsulation. But encapsulation is very important, especially if you use glitter, because if you do not encapsulate and you go back into file, you will file off all the hard work you just did. So make sure to encapsulate very well. It's better to encapsulate too thick than too thin and file it all off, because yeah, that's a little tip I can give you guys today. With the drill bit, I go in with my hand file to make sure everything is smooth, sharp, and crisp. I don't know, it's just something that I do. And I bring the shape back to life, because after applying acrylics, it can get a little bit bulky on the sides and whatnot. So that is what I do. And after this, I buff the nails with a buffer, which I also got from Cakes Ink Nails. And wash their hands, and use a little manicure brush to dust it off, and then you can put on some top coat. Glam and some other colors I do not know by name. Sorry, I will look it up and put it down in the description. What I do is, after I use each color, I do make sure I flash cure the nails for at least 10 seconds before I go in with a different color. Also, what I do in between colors is wipe my brush clean. So before I go into the pink, I put my brush in a little bit of acetone and use my fingers to wipe it clean before I touch the other color. And yeah, you just keep on swirling and swirling. I saw this design on Pinterest. It didn't have the name of the nail tech, so if you guys know the nail tech, please do tag her down below, because this set is very bomb. The design is very bomb. I really liked it, and I love doing it. It was my first time doing a real Valentine set, and I really enjoyed the process. So I hope you guys enjoyed the process as well. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram at t.sparkle and stay sparkled. Mwah.